Ever wondered how some people go from beginner to maestro in no time? Spoiler alert, it's not magic. It's WKMT. At WKMT, we believe talent can be transformed and dreams realized quicker than you ever imagined. From your very first lesson, dive deep into personalized instruction that blends classical precision with the creativity of jazz and blues. Watch in awe as beginners move from playing their first notes to performing complex compositions in just months. Our students evolve with every key press, mastering scales and improvisations that make seasoned musicians jealous. Advanced pianists break through new musical plateaus, refining their performance to concert-level precision. Experience the thrill of playing under the mentorship of world-class instructors from renowned institutions like the Royal College of Music. These maestros tailor each lesson to your unique style and goals, ensuring rapid progress. At WKMT, it's not just about playing the piano, it's about performing with confidence, creativity, and a deep understanding of musical artistry. With our immersive learning environment, witness your evolution firsthand through milestone recitals, showcasing your skills in front of live audiences. Ready for your musical breakthrough? Join over 1,000 students who've studied piano at WKMT since 2010, from novices to concert-level performers. Enroll today and let London's top piano school turn your aspirations into reality.